Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing infographic design all alone in PowerPoint. So tag along the video and watch the video to the end. You can download this template for free from the link in the description, and it's completely for free and editable template. So let's start. Open up a blank slide, go to shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle. Remove its outline and you're gonna select it and change this fill to white. Let's adjust it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. First of all, you're gonna go to shapes and you're gonna insert a rectangle. Remove its outline, go to edit points and edit its points a little bit like this, that it's a paper that is somewhat folded. We're gonna place it and rotate it onto the rectangle. Let's increase its size and there you go. Go to format shape of the rounded corner rectangle, give it this preset of and increase its size and increase its blur amount as well. But change its shadow color to dark gray. Duplicate this. For now, we're not duplicating it, so we're gonna select this paper shape and we're gonna use eyedropper to give it a color from color palette. For like the, I'm gonna use a paperclip PNG that I have taken from flaticon.com. You can check out that website for like more images and icons, and you can also change the colors for free from there. So let's continue. What you're gonna do is rotate that paperclip as well along with the shape, and you're gonna place it onto the paper that it looks like it is holding the rectangle. मैंने नहीं बताने वाली The rectangle is a मुझे ये नहीं paper. आता So we're gonna insert
जाता ही नहीं है, इसका पता
text
नहीं होता।
box, and in it we're gonna write O1. And let's change this font to Agency FB, bold it, and change its color to white. There you go. And now the next thing you're gonna do is go to Insert tab and insert a rounded corner rectangle right at the bottom of the larger rounded corner rectangle. And you're gonna move it into the center of the rounded corner rectangle. Select it and change fill. Now I'm gonna use the text from here. Let's paste it onto the rectangle into the middle. Select the text title and change its color according to the color you have used in the shape. Let's just add the text and we're gonna increase its size. There you go. Go to Insert tab and you're gonna insert a line right below the title and between the content text, increase its width, and you're gonna change its color to this as same as the title color. There you go. Select it all, group it, duplicate it, and paste it, and duplicate it about 3 more times. Select all of them and place them into the middle. Go to shape format, align, and arrange horizontally and arrange vertically both. Select each of the shape and ungroup it, and you're gonna change the color of each of the shapes paper and the rounded corner rectangle and the title and the line. There you go. So for the first one, I'm gonna use navy blue color. For the second one, I'm gonna use bright yellow and golden type color. And for the second one, I'm gonna use this light blue color. And for the fourth one, I think I'm gonna use sky blue color. There you go. Let's change the color to sky blue, along with the text, along with the line, along with the rounded corner rectangles color. So there you go. That was all for today. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And you can download this template for free if you want from the link in the description. You can check out my Patreon for free amazing stuff about PowerPoint templates and other stuff. See you in another video with amazing content soon.